Hi guys, Travis here, Perth Diesel Performance. Just a quick recap on the Perth Full Drive Adventure Show this year. What a massive turnout. I just want to say a big thank you. Thanks for everyone coming down supporting us. We're just going to recap what we had at the show, what we released, and also just celebrating 15 years of Perth Diesel Performance. And thanks again for coming down, so stay tuned and we're going to run you through what we had at the Full Drive Show. Okay, so products wise, 300 series. If you got down to the show, you would have seen all our dual batteries, breathers, fuel kits, fuel guards. There's going to be a full in detail video YouTube series on the 300 series and the product range. You might have seen as well the Hilux dual battery kit and the Prado dual battery kit coming out in the first quarter of next year. Okay guys, bit of a recap on the Full Drive Show. It was our biggest show yet. What you would have seen, it was only 3 days at the event, but behind the scenes it was a 3 months planning for the event. And on that, I want to say a big thanks to my team here at PDP, because without them I couldn't do it and bring you guys all these great products. And once again, I want to thank you for coming down and supporting us at the show. And on that, I want to make a few special mentions to suppliers that come down and supported us as well. We've got Leon and Glenn from Max Tracks. A big thanks to the crew from Max Tracks for coming down, supporting us, and also giving you guys some great specials on the Max Tracks gear. We had Michael and Bruce from Donaldson coming down there with tech support, and obviously the Donaldson Airbox for your 200 series. We had Tony from Garmin down there as well on the Friday, so thanks Tony. We had Darman from Lightforce down there once again. He's been a long supporter with Lightforce. Once again, some great specials on Lightforce. And Darman, your legend, thanks for supporting us and help setting up and pack up as well, mate. Great effort, thanks Lightforce. And of course, Logan and Wayne from Enerdrive, great guys. Some interstate people come over to support us as well. Once again, great charging gear. Thanks again, Enerdrive, and some great specials there as well, guys. And also, can't forget the team from Manta. We had a few of them on the stand, so thanks again, Manta, for supporting us. And once again, thank you to all you guys. If you did make it down there, a big special thank you. If you couldn't, you're interstate or overseas, thanks for supporting us, subscribing. If you have bought something off us, thank you again. And if you haven't, you're looking to, get in touch with us. Without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this, what we love doing and getting these products here for you guys. So yeah, just a big thanks to everyone that supported us to get us where we are today. The Full Drive Show was great, like I have mentioned. At the show, did a podcast with Ronnie and the Full Drive podcast, so that was great to do. Looking forward to doing a few more of them. And on that note, Ronnie, thanks for giving my number plate back, mate. You got my number plate.
I have not taken it.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I haven't taken it. I turned and asked Jono because I thought maybe he's taken it. Nah.
Got a question in the middle here with Gabe.
Just wondering if you gave Travis number plate back.
I like that question. It's a chair. That's a chair. That was easy. Did you hear that, Trav? I like that question. He's just over behind there. No, we haven't given him the number plate back.
Troopy owner, eh?
Okay, so what if he's in the car and I open the door and go, what are you doing there?
There we go.
Really?
I'm happy with that.
Oh, it's been a long weekend. Hey.
Nah.
You got something to say, mate?
Nah.
Where'd you get that from, buddy? Is that the front number plate or the back number plate?
Did you take it off? Oh my god.
You said it on stage.
Oh man.
You said it on stage.
You guys you're digging yourself a massive hole. Oh my god.
Hey, you said it, what do you say? When you start a prank, you gotta finish it.
Well, you guys are going too far now. I know that is not the front number plate.
How do you know?
Because it can't, unless you took it or you took it and then you held it the whole time and then you planted it in my car. Why would I bring it to the show and have it there? And then
all the time, eh?
You've had it the whole time in your car.
Oh no.
I suppose I gotta give those head torches back now.
Are you going to tell him that it's not the front one?
It's the front one.
Nah. Is it? I do know it's the back number plate because it's got all the stone chips on it. Or is it?
It's not the front one.
Oh, have you got that somewhere else?
No.
That's at the unit, is it?
What I said up there was a joke.
Oh yeah.
I'm too fried for this.
Just to wrap this video up, I want to mention our Christmas closure dates. We're shutting on the 22nd of December, reopening on the 8th of January 2024. On that note, festive season guys, stay safe, happy celebrations. I'll see you in the new year. Have a good Chrissy.